Here is an overview of the Cwicly Nav block or mega menu. The Cwicly Nav block is the ultimate no-code mega menu builder, allowing you to create a fully customizable, easy-to-use, multi-level, single markup menu that displays a range of navigation choices in an optimized layout from desktop to mobile devices. It is specifically designed with focused accessibility in mind. With an increasing number of users browsing the web on mobile devices, Cwicly manages all the gear changes between different breakpoints and modal views, optimizing user experience at every level thanks to smart single markup. The Cwicly Nav block comes with a preset structure to get you started, or allows you to start with the bare bones. You can also apply pre-made styling options in a click. We have made it easy to add or remove items from your menu using 3 different blocks. The Nav Dropdown block to group multiple links within a dropdown or add your own custom blocks. The Nav Link block, which is a simple link. The Nav Menu block to import a WordPress menu directly into your mega menu. For added flexibility, these blocks are contained within the Nav Items block, allowing you to add custom blocks to the main Nav block structure while respecting accessibility guidelines. Let's take a quick look at how things work. Let's add a Nav block and select the preset Nav. The preset Nav comes with all the necessary elements to make a fully functioning mega menu that can be customized as required. As you can see, the modal view is automatically set up and will adjust to any changes we make. You will find a Nav drop-down block with 2 groups, their titles and descriptions, a Nav drop-down block with the addition of a footer section, a simple link block with its link set to cwicly.com, a custom drop-down and a simple header and paragraph. Let's select the Solutions drop-down and make some changes. Let's change the menu title to Services. You can switch between the body and footer tabs to edit their respective content. In this drop-down, we have 2 groups, Services and About Us. You can add more groups by clicking on the plus icon. Let's add a title to our new group and an icon to the group title. Let's link it to a page on our website. Let's add a few group links to give it some life. Let's rearrange the group items. And now, let's rearrange our group and move it to the top of the list. In this drop-down, I want to have a gallery in my footer instead of link groups. Let's toggle the Custom Blocks icon and add our gallery block. You can add whatever custom blocks you choose. Let's add a few styles to this drop-down to make it look better. Both the Nav Dropdown trigger and Nav Link blocks support the Cwicly Link feature, allowing you to link to either static or dynamic content or trigger actions. The custom dropdown is a simple Nav dropdown block, where we have toggled the custom content option. Let's add a call to action button and give it some styling. Finally, let's select the Nav Items block and add a Nav Menu block, which will import a previously created WordPress menu. Select a menu. As you can see, the WordPress menu hierarchy I set up is integrated, and you can achieve complex mega menu layouts directly from the WordPress menu editor. Single top-level items will automatically become nav links. Top-level items that contain nested items will automatically be considered as drop-downs. If there is only one sub-level of items, they will be displayed as a single list drop-down. If there is a second level of items, then the first level will be used as the group title element, and its sub-items will be used as group links. The Nav menu block always displays the latest version of the selected WordPress menu, and any changes you make will instantly be reflected inside the mega menu, making it the ideal solution for users and clients that like managing their menus inside WordPress. The Nav block comes with extensive options to modify the form and function of your mega menu. For drop-downs, you can specify whether you want to trigger them on hover or on click, and whether you want them to cover the full width of your page. We provide a comprehensive collection of smooth animations as well as group dividers. Navigating to the drop-down Visuals tab, you can toggle on or off the drop-down caret, but also specify a drop-down icon if you wish to have one. You can set Nav Link effects from the Link Effects tab. As for the modal view, you can specify the breakpoint at which it applies, whether it should be filling the screen or be off canvas. Its position on the screen, as well as its width. You can choose to hide drop-down titles. To simplify user experience, you may want to toggle on and off the multi-level options. Navigating to the Modal Visuals tab, you can add a logo which can be linked. The Cwicly Nav block comes with separate open and close modal triggers that you can modify as required. We also provide an animated hamburger trigger with a large selection of sleek animations. Styling the Nav block is intuitive, highly visual, and complete. Let's open the Styles tab. A number of preset styles are available from the preset drop-down. You can also copy and paste your own custom ones in an instant, which can be useful when working with clients. To avoid confusion, only the visible elements will appear in the Styling tab. If we open a drop-down, you will notice that you can now style the drop-down elements. For a global view of all your styles, simply set the Show property to All. Hovering over the style elements will instantly highlight the targeted item in the editor. Clicking on it will open the Design panel, where you can apply the styles you wish. The styles you add will only apply to the current mode, either desktop or modal, to avoid any style bleed-through. In the eventual case you want to apply the styles to all modes, you can toggle the global icon and add your styles there. And that's how the Cwicly Nav block works.